What is up, guys? It is Caching with Cody, and it is a beautiful Saturday morning. I've got my coffee, but more importantly, we have this month's cache crate. Let's open it up, see what we got. Alright, so coffee aside, there are more important things at hand, like the cache crate. Let's see what we got. Tissue paper. Ooh. We got a fake rock. Very nice. Let's see, we also got some fire tacks. So this will be great. I've been wanting to do a night cache, so this will really help. We got a bison tube. Very cool. Some nice hide gear in this one. A chocolate crisp energy bar. We got this little flashlight. Oh, it's a UV light. Very cool. Let's see, we got a log book, which will fit perfectly with the bison tube. And we got this marker. Oh, you know what? I think this is a UV marker. Oh, it is, it is. Look at that. How cool is that? So we got everything that we need to do a fake rock hide and a night cache. So very cool. Very cool box this month. So lots of cool stuff in this month's cache crate. Can't wait to get the stuff out in the field. Can't wait to do my first night cache, which would be awesome. And if you're interested in signing up for the cache crate, the details are in the comments to this video. So thanks again for watching, and we'll do next month's.